Taqwa, actually, as the beloved Prophet said, it is a shield. And taqwa is a shield which prevents you from the hellfire, and it prevents you from the punishment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And there are various verses of the Quran which speak about taqwa. Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Al-Imran, chapter number 3, verse number 102, Ya ayyuhal lazina amanu, O you who believe, have taqwa of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and die not except in the state of Islam. That means the believers should fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and die not except in the state of Islam. And Ibn Masud, may Allah be pleased with him, while giving commentary of this verse, he says, it means that the believers have to obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and should not disobey Him. They have to remember Him, they should not forget Him. They should be thankful to Him and they should not be ungrateful.